What up, GRC, and I'm back at it once again, and I'll be working on my Super Rock Ray. Broke a couple of things about a month ago and just really haven't got around to fixing things. I do have the parts for them. This one says Super Baja Ray. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit, but we're gonna try it. And also the front here, broke this part here, and so I'm gonna fix it. This video is really for my little buddy. His name is Johnny, and he has a Super Rock Ray, but he's like, you know, he wants to work on it, but he doesn't know how. He asked me if I could, you know, do a video for it. So I told him sure. But just the main thing that you need to know is don't be scared. You know, no fear. When you work on these, you know, you gotta open things up and check them out. You gotta do it. And for me, I need the hands-on experience. That's the only way you can learn. You got to do it. You got to start unplugging things and start disconnecting things and whatnot, so that way you can learn. You'll be familiar like which bits you need just by kind of looking at it and whatnot. And so, but yeah, this is the best way to learn right here. And so, yeah, just don't be scared and just get up in there and do the thing. Take pictures and take a video, and then that way you can know how different things go and whatnot. And so, but yeah, the main thing is don't be scared. Do that. Just do it. You gotta do it. And so this piece is called the aluminum axle housing upper track rod mount, which is this what I broke. And so we'll be putting that back in there. It says Super Baja Ray, but I'm hoping it's gonna fit this here. And so we'll check it out and see how this thing goes. And so, nice aluminum piece. And so it should go right there. Beautiful. Yeah, it looks perfect. And so, main thing is to not to panic. Just do it. You know? So it's the only way you can learn. So that's the only way you can learn. It's the only way I can learn. So my little buddy Johnny, he's a youngster, but have no fear, man. Do it, man. You got it. And so just remember how everything goes back, or take pictures, or do a video. You know what I'm talking about? And so that way. So looks like we're gonna have to put that piece up in. Oh no, it's smoother. So I'm gonna try to decipher which hole, because they got different holes that you could put it in. We'll decipher which hole. So it looks like the top one. On which hole to use. I'm gonna go with the top one. Yeah, Johnny, so the best way to learn is to just go on and do it. So right now I'm just gonna take this one off and slap it on there, and then put this on there. I'll be back. Well, yeah, ain't nothing to it but to do it. And so, or you can slap the screws in there if you don't know which ones is which. The only reason why I'm doing this is because these are two different sizes. But yeah, we're gonna take this out. Take this out. So yeah, so this is trash. It's a little youngster. Another youngster. You know? At the same time, sometimes you just gotta do some MacGyver. I don't know if you don't know who MacGyver is, but MacGyver was a dude that made something out of nothing. And so that's what you gotta do sometimes. Make something out of nothing. So that's it, man. Basically, that is it. All you gotta do now is put it on. And so these are it's mainly for my boy Johnny. Johnny be good. So I think I'm going to learn a lesson right now. I think I should have put this on first and then put these bolts in. So see, he learned on the way, man. He learned on the way, man. See, I don't think I'm going to be able to get that in there. But I sure am going to try. No, don't do it. Don't do it. It's going to go in crooked. I think I just need to take out one of these. And that way I can get my leverage. But yeah. Well, yeah, you're going to learn. You're going to learn. Now, I got to take off this wheel. I'm going to slap it under there. Like that there. That's it. That's all I need is to get in that hole straight up. Ooh, I don't know if just to be safe, gotta take the other one out too, see? see. So now we can do it. There we go. Yep. See, now that you did it the first time, you know exactly what to do the next time. You know? So that's it. That's all you gotta do with that there, and it's done. So, that's it. That's done. Now to the front. And so be back. So as you can see, I'm gonna have to take off all of this. Now this is the first time, mind you, that I've been doing this. And so I'm just assuming that I'm assuming that there's something in here that you gotta take off first, just because of other RCs. And so I'm gonna have to find something. So you could probably use some channel locks or something to hold this. I'm just gonna use this. And so gotta hold this so you can get the set screw that's up in there out, you know? And so I don't know if you have to take the whole thing out. Oh well, it came out. And so I'm gonna put that in there. And then you see this little pin. So I mean, once you work on one RC, you'll basically almost like the same, almost, you know, but you get the idea of different things, and you know how it'll more than likely come off. And so this one, you want to take it off like this. So yep. So that's for these disc brakes, brake discs, or whatever you call it. And if you're not sure, slap these things back up in there so you can have them, so you know. And so just remember how it goes in, just like that there. So this is this piece. Man, let me check. Let me make sure I'm on. Oh, okay. Get all these things up out of there. Got bearings with it. So cool. So they got this little right, and I'm sure the other one has a little L for left. So this is gonna be your right side. Yeah, just like that there. You're gonna need that. I need that little screw, bolt, whatever. That one, yeah, it's pretty much straightforward, man. You just gotta get familiar with these things. 3, I guess. This is a 2.5. That looks like a 3. Beautiful. So, I don't know if you have to take it all the way out. Might as well, huh? Okay, there we go. See that there? Do the same thing on the bottom. You know? I'll put this on. I got it hanging right here. And take that out. Right there. Got the bearings in there. But I'm gonna slap these new ones that come with it up in there, like swimwear. You know what I'm talking about? Set those there. Put some of this there, up in there. Maybe 2 drops. And I don't even know if you're supposed to do this. You know, but it seems logical. Seems like it's something you're supposed to do. Yeah. So we're gonna slap this bearing up in there. You know, don't be scared. Just do it, Johnny. Johnny, just do it. There ain't nothing to do it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. So when you work on yours, because I know you broke this, but I don't know if you broke the C hub or this, but you need to take it apart and see what you broke, or at least take your tire off and see what you broke, Johnny. Put a little bit of that there. UB40, WD-40. You don't want to put that stuff on your bearings though, so don't be slapping that stuff on your bearings. And so I'm just putting it in there to make it nice and smooth for maybe the next time I might break this or something. I don't know, just talking crazy. And so we're gonna slide that back up in there. And you know what I'm talking about? Okay. Well, you're gonna need this. So we're gonna take that off. See that there? Put it back up in there like that there. There it is. You know, we are almost there. We are almost there, guys. Or Johnny. Johnny, this is mainly for you, Johnny. This video is mainly for you. And so I'll tighten that later. But for now, I just want to finish what I'm doing so you can see what it is and what to do, Johnny. Don't be scared. That's really what the main thing is. Don't be scared. So okay, we're gonna turn it that there. All what it does, y'all. Doing this for you, Johnny. Johnny, I'm doing this for you. Don't be scared, Johnny. Johnny. Don't be scared, man. Just do it. You could go back to school and tell everybody what you did. And let them know that GRC told you not to be scared. You know what I'm talking about? So then tell all your friends to go on YouTube and subscribe. No, I don't care about subscriptions, bro. I don't care about that. We're gonna make this look like a real disc brake. Johnny, do you know what a disc brake is? And we'll line that up. We'll slap that back on. We'll turn that like so it doesn't slide out. And we'll go ahead and put this set screw back up in there. This here and tighten him down. This is how I like to do it, just like that there. And we done. Sure, you don't forget to tighten that up. Matter of fact, let's tighten it up since we're doing it. Hey, I'm talking about. Let's tighten it up. And keep your RCs clean, Johnny. Johnny. Do what I say, don't say what I do. And that's it there. I didn't break the other side, but I might as well slap these on there. You know what I'm talking about? And so all I gotta do is put the tire back on and I'm ready to go. Ready to go bash. I'm just gonna say the bearing. This is trash. So that's how it's done. This video is mainly for Johnny. I know all you guys out there is all professionals. Because Johnny asked me if I could do this. There's nothing to it, Johnny. That's how it's done. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, well, that's how it's done, Johnny. So I'm gonna do the other side. But you'll need to see that it's the same thing what I did here, but on the other side. And so that'll do it. Don't be scared, you know. No fear. Just get up in there and do it. If you have to, record yourself. Put screws back where they go. Take pictures, whatever it does, so that you can remember. And the more hands-on you do, the more familiar you'll be with doing these kind of things. And then you'll learn from your mistakes and whatnot. Anyways, that's my video. Thanks for watching. It's mainly for Johnny, not any of y'all. My little buddy Johnny is a teenager. But yeah. Alright, Johnny. Alright, thanks for watching.